guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. We are so happy you found us and that you're here. Today we are talking fall decor on a budget. Something really simple, really easy, but that has huge impact for only pennies on the dollar. So let's get into this. But I must say before we get started, I went to the Dallas Arboretum yesterday and was inspired by their pumpkin village, which there's a picture right there. It was gorgeous and they had pumpkins everywhere. So I hope you enjoy this because I enjoyed that and that's what inspired all of this. Before I zoom in, this is my island. I just did a little bit on here. This is some pampas grass from Amazon. It was only $4 for the whole thing. And then this, last year's placemat, not wooden, but kind of like bamboo-y placemat. Then this year, these are fresh pumpkins. I got a whole bag for $3.98 from Walmart. A little pick that was $1.98 and half price from Hobby Lobby. This was $5, half price, and the cups were each $5, half price. And I just loved it. I assembled it all together because I wanted the blue color in here because my kitchen has blue in it. And I thought this would tie in really nicely. The cups are empty, but if you wanted to, what you could do to give even a little more interest is fill them with candy. Or you can get these pine cones from Hobby Lobby and you could fill them with these little miniature pine cones. Whatever, interests you. Now, because this is a 360 view, I decorated the other side as well. So we're going to flip around so you can see that. So for this side, again, we just used the same cups, obviously. But because the back of the truck was not 360, I got this cute little squirrel from Hobby Lobby. Again, he was $5.98 and he was half price. Some real pumpkins from Walmart. The white ones were $3.98 and a bag of orange ones was $3.98. And then another little pick from Hobby Lobby that was $1.98. So for under $10, I have a really cute display. And again, the placemat that's sitting on was from last year or the year before at Target. Now, I like to set up little vignettes. Oh, and the placemats are from last year or the year before too, and they're from Amazon. I like to set up little vignettes, and I like to use what I have over and over. I don't like to buy new things. I only buy a little bit of new each year, and this was my new. So let's go into my family room, and I have a small vignette in there. This year, more than any previous year, I used real gourds, real white pumpkins, and real orange pumpkins. Just because I thought it would be fun. I was out and saw them. They were $3.98 for a very, nice size bag full. And I think it just adds more to a little decor spot than if you use plastic. But if plastic's what you have and you don't have access, or, the real pumpkins aren't in your budget, that's perfectly fine as well. Here, everything is from last year except for the white pumpkins, the orange, and the gourds. Of course, those were each $3.98 a bag, and those are all real. Now on this end, I have used a vintage cheese grater and some vintage felt and cut out a scarecrow on a sunflower, added some ribbon from Hobby Lobby, and came up with this really cute fall decor idea. It's super simple to do, and if you guys are interested in seeing a tutorial on that though, please let me know. This end is some fall decor I've had for probably over 10 years. We're back in the kitchen. We're back in the kitchen for a second. I just want to show you these really cute hand towels that I also got at Hobby Lobby. I kind of love them, and you always need new tea towels or hand towels, kitchen towels, because you go through them. And this actually is a set with the cups. It has the dogs on it, and of course, if you know me, I couldn't pass up dogs. Okay guys, this is my main dining room. And all of this, except for this little pick of flowers and the one on the other end, $1.98 at Walmart this time. They were not half price. They were $2 basically a pick. That's all that's new. Oh, and the candles. These were actually half price. They were $7.99 half price, which is what, $4? So I got those and the picks were all that's new. Everything else, the pumpkins, all were from 2 years ago. And this is just some bamboo. I buy rolls of not bamboo, sorry. And this is just burlap. I buy rolls of burlap and use it for multiple things. I made a table runner out of it. This tablecloth I've had for over 10 years. And I just like this. This again ties in the blue because I like to bring the colors of my house. I have blue and white curtains in here, which I'll pan up in a minute so you can see. So it just kind of ties everything together. But I love how this turned out, and I'm super excited to, have some fall pie, pumpkin pie, or maybe some banana bread on it later. Now right behind, and there you can see the blue in this room, that why there's blue pumpkins, and it all ties together. My sofa table there, just those tall candle holder things came from my mom, and I know they're over 15 years old. The candles are new because when you move, you can't move candles, they'll melt, so I did have to spend the money on those, but they were half price when I bought them, which made them great. And then the little hay pumpkin truck in the center came from Hobby Lobby, and it was only $5, and it was half price. My couch is a tomato red color, and so it's already kind of fall because it looks kind of rust in this light. So I just bought one throw pillow because I don't care what people say, throw pillows are not cheap. And this one was $12.97 from Walmart. I liked it. It kind of tied the couch, brought the couch to life. So yeah, I kind of like that a lot. And then we're going to talk about the coffee table, and then I'm going to show you a couple of quick DIYs that I haven't seen before. That's a good one. Okay guys, this is the last little vignette, and again, all of this is from last year except for the pumpkin I made, and I'll talk about that in a minute. It's just fall letters that I bought separately that I spelled fall out with, some more plastic fake pumpkins, another placemat from Target 2 years ago, and then of course when the beads got really big like a year or two ago, I had to get the fall one. So that's all that is, but I think it ties together nicely. It finishes the room, and I'm very happy with the way it all came out. Now for one of the DIYs, we're going to talk this little guy right here. This is one of the small crates from Dollar Tree. All I did was paint it orange to look like a pumpkin. I put a paper stem on it, glued it down with E6000, make sure it didn't come off. Now if you put a little candle in here, it's like a little lantern, and if you're not having bad weather, you could line your sidewalk on both sides for very little money with a very custom look. So keep that in mind as it gets closer to Halloween, or if you're having guests over for Thanksgiving, or if you're just having people over and you've decorated for fall and you want something outside without spending a lot of money. These little crates, you buy, however many you need for your sidewalk, you paint them, get some of the fake little battery operated candles because they last a long time, put them inside, and you'll have a beautiful walkway for pennies. Alright guys, now to that DIY pumpkin that you have never seen before. Are you ready? How cute is that? It's a flower pumpkin. Isn't it adorable? And it's so simple to make, and it works with any size pumpkin because most of these are just styrofoam anyway, right? And these are just some flowers from the Dollar Tree. All I did was pull a bunch off their stems, okay? And you can see the little back is still on there. I come to my pumpkin and I just push it in because like I said, they're all styrofoam. They're all very, very, pliable. You can definitely do this easily and with any size pumpkin. And you just get such a unique and awesome looking pumpkin. It is just, and there we go. And there we go. How cool is that? So anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this little fall tour of my home, some budget friendly ideas, and this never before seen DIY for a flower pumpkin. plus the ideas for the lanterns for your walkway. Super simple. You can customize them however your imagination wherever your imagination takes you. I'm just the inspiration. Thanks for being here today, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that little bell. You don't want to miss out. We have a lot of great videos coming your way. Thanks for being here today, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.